In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to buy Skype credit in just about 5 minutes. Whether you're looking to make international calls or simply want to have a balance for those moments when you need it, adding Skype credit to your account is a seamless process. First things first, head over to the Skype website. You'll see an option to open Skype in browser. Go ahead and click on that. If you're not already signed into your account, you'll be prompted to do so. This is an important step because your Skype credit goes directly into the account you're logged into. Once you're logged in, take a look at the top left corner of your screen. You'll see your current credit balance displayed there. Click on this balance. It's a quick gateway to managing and adding credit to your account. After clicking on your credit balance, Skype will present you with several options for the amount of credit you can add to your account. This is where you decide how much you want to credit. Think about how you plan to use Skype and choose an amount that suits your needs. Next up is the Buy Credit option. This button is your next step towards topping up your account. Click on it and you'll be closer to having that much needed Skype credit. Now you'll need to input your credit card details. Make sure to enter all the information correctly to avoid any issues with your purchase. This is a crucial step as incorrect details can prevent the transaction from going through. Lastly, there's the Pay Now button. After checking that all your details are correct and you're happy with the amount of credit you're purchasing, clicking this button will finalize the transaction. And there you have it, a step-by-step guide to buying Skype credit. Adding credit to your Skype account is straightforward and can be done in no time at all. Remember to check your credit balance regularly to ensure you have enough for your needs, and enjoy making those calls without any hassle.